Tired of spending hours crafting short videos? Let's automate the entire process using AI and N8n. First, we kick things off in N8n. This is our workflow canvas, where the magic happens. I've already set up a basic framework, but let's break it down. We start with a trigger node. This tells N8n when to run the automation. You can schedule to run at specific times, ensuring a constant stream of content. Next up is the AI brain. This node connects to an AI text generator. The prompt is key here. Tell the AI what kind of video script you need. Be specific about the topic and platform. Now, let's give our script a voice. The text-to-speech node converts the generated text into a voiceover. Experiment with different voices to find the perfect fit for your brand. Time for visuals. This node is where we add images, video clips, and text overlays. You can use AI to generate images or source royalty-free content. This node also adds background music. And that's it. The entire workflow automates the creation of faceless short videos from idea to finished product. This setup streamlines your content creation, saving you time and effort, while keeping your audience engaged, ready to supercharge your content strategy. Find all the resources in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips.